Okay, this is some assistance with Skygazer activity number 13, part 4, seeing Venus from Earth. We have phases of the planets from the Explore part of the menu. So Explore, and then phases of the planets. This will bring us to what we see now, and then we'll want to go up to the top left to select phases of Venus. So what we have is just the orbit of Earth and the orbit of Venus, and we can hit the controls here and watch the two planets go around the Sun. And so the first thing that the instructions give us is to stop it when Venus is at inferior conjunction. Okay, inferior conjunction means that Venus is between Earth and the Sun. So we'll wait a few ticks here. And what we'll want to notice, if you think about that real quick as we're waiting, we're going to have Venus in between, again, the Earth and the Sun. So Earth is going to see the darkened side of Venus. And of course, Venus is going to be fairly close to Earth. And so that's pretty good right there. We have the slider bars down here to adjust our perspective. Okay. And so with the phases themselves, you just want to use the phases of the moon. So of course, if we're looking at the side of Venus that is not illuminated by the sun, this would be a new phase. And future questions, you'll also take notice that the angular size of Venus is going to be its largest because obviously this is when the planet Venus is going to be closest to the Earth. So that is help with part 4. Number 4, superior conjunction, real quick. That is when Venus is on the opposite side of the Sun from Earth. So if we hit the play button again, and as we're waiting, if you think about it, if Venus is on the opposite side of the Sun, Venus is going to be the furthest away from the Sun. And then if we're able to see Venus in its orbit at superior conjunction position with the Earth, we're going to see the half of Venus that is illuminated. So the name of the phase that Venus will be in, as we're quickly approaching this now, is a full phase. So again, we can see all of the illuminated side of Venus. However, the angular size of Venus is much smaller than when it was at inferior conjunction because it's on the opposite side of the Sun. So hope that helps, and more later.